Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Pratham Car Vlogs. And it's a really sunny day and it's really hot, but today we are driving this Renault Duster. Okay, so here we are in this beautiful car, which looks amazing from outside, but very simple and decent design language of the interior. Let's start the car, handbrake down, AC on because it's really hot. Okay, a fly is in there. Let me wear my masks. Always wear a mask while driving. I don't know why, even if you're alone, but that's what the law says. Okay, let's start driving. Wearing the seat belts. Okay, here we go. Car lock, hazard light off, and let's start. Okay, so due to CNG, engine is making a little bit of noise, but that's manageable. Okay, some time to get used to exchange wiper and indicator stop. The steering is light enough. Okay, provides. Let's try a quick lane change to see the handling of this car. Okay, so we will go from so the handling is really nice, even after a really soft suspension setup. The handling is great. The steering is almost accurate, very near to accurate, I will say, because it's a front wheel drive car. It used to get a 4-wheel drive version also, which I would have loved to drive, but we can't currently. So this car ride quality is just next level. It's so smooth. It gets all the bumps inside its suspension. Ride quality, I would say, the best in segment. Should we say that or not? Creta also provides a really good ride quality, but this car handling is so pinpoint that it exceeds that segment or exceeds that area of ride and handling balance. See, if I want to shift lanes, I can just give an indicator. Here I am in another lane. So it is so nice. The ride and handling is, handling is really amazing, I would say. And this engine is also really nice. The fuel is very low, so I'm driving on CNG. But on CNG also, just the lower end is lacking because it's an aftermarket CNG. As I told you while driving Amaze, the aftermarket CNG kind of alters the power of the car, but past 2000 RPM, it's driving the same. And by the time we reach 3000 RPM, it's just amazing. The power and torque this car provides, and the high-speed stability. The car feels so composed even after so humongous. The road presence of this car is so amazing. Like, it feels like we are driving a mini Fortuner. The design language of this car from exterior is just amazing. When the Duster was launched, I used to love Duster. मतलब like मैं पापा को बोलता था मेरे को Duster चाहिए. But now I'm driving today. Well, this car is provided to me by Star Cars and it is on sale. So if you want to own a Duster, a petrol engine which has a very low maintenance cost and an aftermarket CNG to make it a little more economical and budget friendly, this car is just an amazing choice. Buying a CNG Duster, who will thought of buying a CNG Duster? Of course, a person like me who wants a car budget friendly and also a chance of mini Fortuner. Well, this engine is really nice. Let's drive on petrol, whatever petrol is left. On petrol, it's revving very smoothly. Okay, so this car produces a max power of 102.5 bhp at 5700 rpm and a torque of 148 Nm at 3700 rpm. So, as I told you, past 3000 rpm, this car feels really nice, either on petrol or CNG. Well, this car also gets a 50-liter fuel tank, which is decent sized, and you can go places without worrying much. And this car also has an ARAI mileage of 13.4 kilometer, and on CNG it also extracts same mileage. The speed breaker was so pointed, and the ride and handling balance of this car is just something else. So the only USP of, if you want a Duster, is the ride and handling balance and the high speed stabilities. And it's also very easy to drive in cities, as you are watching me. I only drive in cities, so the on-road mileage of this car is also very nice. It extracts around 9 to 10, which the Creta does, and many more cars. Even my Grand i10 extracts 9 kilometers per liter in city driving. So it's manageable mileage for a car of this size. So this much for the vlog. The steering feels a little empty because obviously this is the base model, but the feel of the steering is really nice. And the idle steering wheel feels also so pinpoint accurate. Well, the power figures are not that attractive, I know, but on high speed mileage is really nice, which is a really nice thing, because when I drive other cars, they don't feel much stable. Well, this is a French brand and feels much stable on highway. Like, movement of the suspension is really low, and on city drives it's really amazing. Well, this car also gets ventilated discs at the front and normal brake and drum brakes at the rear, which is nice. Well, let's talk about the prices. Well, on-road price of this car at that time was 8.03 lakhs, and currently it's available in much more attractive price, and the condition is also very great. I'm not kidding, it's really great. Well, so if you are looking to buy a mini SUV or a compact SUV, or you can call it a mini Fortuner, because the stance and the road presence of this car is just something else. Like, its front and rear tires have got this much of body cladding, which look humongous and just so tough. It's just amazing. Well, nowadays this car costs much more. Like, price is identical to Creta. Like it starts from 11 point something lakhs and goes all over to the approximately 16 to 17 lakhs with accessories and all. So if you want to buy a Duster, the old one is also really nice, if you want to feel the driving pleasure. Okay, I know the interior is really simple, there is nothing much or exciting which looks good, but the ride and handling balance is just something else. If you want to drive, really drive a car, so Duster is a choice. Okay, so it's time to end the vlog. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Pratham Car Vlogs, and also hit the bell icon and comment on the video how you like the car, and you can always buy it on Star Cars and Properties. Where else you will go if you want a nice car? So come to Rohini.